Let's sit for a little while. Let your eyes soften, and if it feels right, gently close them. Take one natural breath in and a slow, easy breath out. Now, I'd like to invite you to breathe the way the ocean moves, not with effort or force, but with that ancient, unhurried rhythm. The tide coming in, the tide going out. Breathe in slowly through your nose. Let your chest and belly rise like a wave filling with water. And breathe out through your mouth, softly, like the wave pulling gently back to sea. And again, in, the wave rises, and out, the wave returns home. There is nothing to solve right now, nowhere to be. The ocean doesn't rush, and neither do you. In through your nose and out through your mouth. One more time, in through your nose and out through your mouth. With each breath, I want you to notice your shoulders beginning to drop, the muscles around your eyes softening, your jaw unclenching. The ocean is patient. She breathes in cycles the same way she has for thousands of years. And right now, you are borrowing her rhythm. Let the breath come in a little deeper this time. Breathe in and feel the back of your ribcage expand, like the water has reached even the farthest corners of the shore. And out. You are becoming calmer, not because you are forcing it, but because this is your natural state. The stillness has always been here. The breath is simply reminding you. As you settle deeper into this quiet, I want you to ask yourself one gentle question. Don't answer with words, but just feel it. What do I need most right now? Let the answer come the way the tide comes in, naturally, without strain. You don't have to chase it. Trust what rises. Take one more full ocean breath with me. In through your nose, and a long releasing exhale, letting the wave carry anything you no longer need back out to sea. Beautiful. Now slowly begin to bring your awareness back into this space. Feel the ground beneath you. Wiggle your fingers. Take your time. When you're ready, open your eyes and carry this quiet with you into whatever comes next. You are more capable of stillness than you know.